All right, so we made it to Elusive waterfall. It was a hard find. Great job, Grant. Good job coming to data. That's Grant coming right over there. Up on the mountain, next to the waterfall. Then coming towards data. This is my amazing son coming over here after bushwhacking. Just Jiju and Sodi's over there. Grant did all of this trail alone. Coming right over here. Great job, my Vita! Hug! Mwah. That's my amazing Vita. How was it? Good. Good. Grant, where are we going? We're going to the waterfall right over there.
I know that.
Yeah, let's go there and then we'll go back, okay? Is Vanessa Didi tired?
Okay, but yeah,
Yeah?
I'm gonna get 50 candies.
Wow!
Yeah.
Very good job.
It's 50 and 50 makes 100.
Okay. Say hi. We'll see the waterfall and then we'll come back. Can you tell me about the waterfall?
But did I even look it? You can even see the water stream.
Okay, Grant, tell me about the waterfall.
But did
Look
I
away.
look it? I want to taste one.
Ah,
How did they put that fence there? By a path.
I know. They put a fence there, Grant.
What if these are a path?
Careful, Grant.
Yeah, there's steps down here.
That's the waterfall, the Elusive waterfall, which we came for. But I think it's too far up to go over there. That's Grant going to the waterfall. We did it. That's the waterfall. The trail was hard to find. Very few people, to be honest, nobody except us. And Grant is right here. This is the waterfall. There is no path, or there may be a path. We're not doing that much of bushwhacking. Right over there to take a shower. Right at the path. We went all the way up there. I think across this or around this, there may be a path to this waterfall. But we're heading back. All right, Grant, let's go. This beautiful hike. Good burnout and enjoyed a little bit of water. And now we have to go. This is the Elusive waterfall and we're right here and God's just having fun. You can see this is in Manali. Not many people, but beautiful waterfall all to yourself. This is where the waterfall is. That's Grant coming up and there's the trail. We'll go this way now. Follow this tree. And Sondiri and Jesse Jiju made it at the waterfall. They're out down there. The waterfall, I think you guys can see it. Can you see it? There is the waterfall. Barely you can see it. Right over there is the waterfall. Us patthar pe gir raha hai. I think so you can see it. From there the water comes down all the way. Yahan jaake pani aa raha hai. This is the waterfall. नहीं वही रास्ता है
कौन सा रास्ता है? Which way to Delhi? We are lost. Look at it now, the mountain.
This is how we end the trail. Finally, and we found the waterfall. Yay, 2.5 hours.